predicting methylation status from the MRI images. The objective. MRI is a non-invasive method to get an accurate anatomical view of the brain. On the other hand, methylation status determines the effectiveness of a chemotherapy drug called temozolomide and hence may affect overall patient survival. The goal is to predict methylation status from the MRI images itself. The steps involved in methylation status detection. Step 1. Preprocessing brain MRI scans. This step involved preprocessing of the brain MRI images to feed them further for tumor detection and hence methylation prediction. It had mainly three components, other than minimal processing like type conversions and axis corrections. A. Extracting only the brain tissue, leaving out the skull part. B. Co-registering the MRI images. C. Bias field correction and normalization of the images. Step 2. Cropping the tumor. This step involved detecting the tumor in the MRI scans that are obtained from the first step, that is the preprocessed MRI scans. It was done in two steps. A. Training a deep learning model for segmenting brain tumor, and B. Once the model was ready, it was then used to detect and crop the tumor. Step 3. Predicting the methylation status. This step involved the prediction of methylation status from the cropped tumors. It was done again in two steps. A. Training a deep learning model with the cropped tumor images to predict methylation status. And B. Using the final model, to predict methylation status in the unseen MRI images. Here is a brief picture of how the model works in just 3 steps. First, the user uploads an MRI image. Second, the user clicks on the Predict button. And third, the methylation status is predicted as true or false, and also the detected tumor is clearly outlined. Please note, the model also suggests the prognosis for the given patient.